So this is just a really quick bonus video. A box arrived from treatland.tv and it is full of really cool stuff for the rebuild. I'm just going to take a few minutes here and open it up and show you what I got. Some of this stuff is for the motor rebuild that's coming up on Saturday. Some of it is for future projects that I know that I'm going to have to do. But it's all going to be useful as we go through the rest of this rebuild. So the first thing here, these are tubes for both of the wheels and a couple of bellows for the front forks. These are brakes. These are actually the wrong size brakes. I ordered the wrong ones, so those will go back and we'll get the right ones. Some new grips. A brand new chain. These are some rim strips for the wheels. And this is a bag full of small parts, including, most importantly, the gasket kit for the engine rebuild. This is a speedometer holder to replace the big bulky one that is on the Sachs G3. And then finally the tires themselves. These are Michelin Gazelles, which are apparently like great or something. They're a little bit smaller in size than the tires that were on it originally. They're a little bit narrower and a little bit thinner, but I think they look pretty good, and they're definitely going to be better than the old cracked tires that are on there. Thanks for watching. I know that the video was a little bit weird because it wasn't framed right. I'll do better in the next unboxing video because I'm definitely going to need some more parts for this bike. I'll see you on Saturday.